Here we have a little cobra. He just came into this building, so I'm just helping him out into the garden, back into the garden where he should belong. He shouldn't be in our living area. Not very safe, this guy, for us. A lot of people who don't know how to deal with him, he won't be very safe, but he is quite a fine creature.
Method. So go ahead, click the link under this video. When you do that, it should take you to a page that looks like this, okay? So on this page, you just want to click this button here, and you want to go ahead and put your name and email. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to actually send you a 4-day free crash course on affiliate marketing. Now, that's going to be sent to your email, and I do recommend you go through that free crash course when you have time, because that's going to break down more information on how to really crush it with affiliate marketing. But what that will also do is when you submit your name and email, you'll get taken to a page that looks like this, okay? Now, it's recommended you watch this video. This is going to break down more about how this works, but ultimately you want to go ahead and click this button here, okay? Get started. Now, you can also find this button down here, and once you do that, it's going to take you to the registration page. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead, put your first name, last name, create a username, okay, put your email, fill out all the boxes, and this is going to sign you up with an account inside of E1U Life, which again is the program we're going to be using. So go ahead, fill that out, click submit. Now, once you're inside of your back office, when you log in for the first time, you want to scroll down on the page and it will take you to something that looks like this. So these are the different levels and packages you can actually join at inside of E1U Life. Now, for the sake of this training, okay, Step 2 is activate the Vertex Live package or higher, okay? At least the Vertex Live package, because that's going to allow you to qualify for the $2,000 commissions, okay? So Vertex Live is right here. What will happen is when you actually click that, see how it has this lock? This means that they're still locked. I have not unlocked any of these packages yet. So you want to click on the Vertex Live, and that will take you to the page to activate your package. Now, Vertex Live is just one-time payment of $2,500. And once you do that, you'll be able to unlock Vertex Live and the ability to earn those $2,000 instant commissions. So you want to go ahead and do that and click this orange continue to checkout. When you do that, you'll see this page here. This is the order form, okay? So you just want to go ahead and fill out a debit, credit card information, put your name right there. Select the country, and then go ahead and click pay, the orange pay button at the bottom, and that will go ahead and pay, and then you will unlock again the Vertex Live level and actually all the levels under it. Okay, whatever level you join, you unlock that level and all the levels under it. So all of these levels right here would be unlocked. Now, here's where it gets really cool. When you unlock the Vertex Live package, my team and I are going to be giving you incredible bonus resources that it will ensure you start making money with this program. So step 3 is to receive 200 clicks of traffic. So like I said right here, what's going to happen is you will get our high converting funnel with pre-written follow-up emails when you join at the Vertex Live level. This will have your E1U Life affiliate link in there. And again, because you're joining at the Vertex Live level today, when you do that, you will actually get 200 clicks of top tier traffic. So here's how to access your 200 clicks. Once you join, you will receive an email or you will get notified where you can join our private team Facebook group. Now, inside our private team Facebook group, at the very top of the group, we have a pinned post. Okay, this is the pinned post. Okay, our team is called the Freedom Family, okay, because we're all about helping people achieve freedom. Now, once you go to this pinned post, you're going to see step 1 is access your high converting funnel. This training right here, it's a few minutes, shares with you how to get your high converting funnel. Step 2 is to access our 14-day email series. We share how to import that very quickly and easily so you have the follow-up emails. And then step 3 is if you're like most and you're at the Vertex Live level, learn how to activate your 200 traffic clicks. So again, you will watch this tutorial and it will share with you where and how to start receiving those 200 targeted clicks that will go to your funnel link. And again, what's going to happen is when these clicks go through your funnel, they start getting those follow-up messages. Because this funnel is high converting. It's the same funnel I used, okay, to make this amount of money. It's the same funnel that our team has been using. When you do that, you will start to make these instant paying $2,000 commissions, okay? It's incredibly powerful. We have a lot more training as well, okay, down here. This is incredibly powerful. So the next step is simply this. Go down to the link under this video. You will again get taken to this page here. Put your name and email, okay? Click that button, put your name and email. Sign up, join at the Vertex Live level. Again, it's a one-time payment. And then look out for either an email or someone will message you, whoever you join through, myself or my team, and you will start to be able to do the same thing. So I hope that made sense. I really thank you for watching. Take action, my friend, and I will see you very soon. Take care.